Yeah, so Monish. So 9 of you are there till now.
Sir, I have left. Sir, I have left 8th question of 9.6. I can now.
Yeah, do it now. 8th question of 9.6. So we have to start with the question B of 9.6. Word problems we have to start. Okay. So let us wait for a few more seconds. Let's see if more are joining or not. Because very less students are there in the class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. क्या हो गया पार्थ, क्या कर रहे हो?
Sir, nothing.
क्या कर रहे हो?
Sir, nothing.
एक बार और करके दिखाना है
Class. Sir, this question is for our class.
do it one more time, Parth.
Sir, this question is for our class.
Beta, this is class 5A. It's maths period in class 5A. And Parth Gupta, please ये अपने नाम के आगे से प्लस पीजी प्लस यूजी ये हटा लो.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Nice. Gaurav, you also remove the emoji.
Sir, now it's correct.
Sir,
Sir, now it's correct.
Yes, yes, yes. Good.
sir, not. So today what we will do, sir?
We will start question B, word problems. First part of the question we will begin. Last exercise we are doing. We will start with the word problems now. So question B. First one. If 1 kg of sugar costs rupees 16.5, then how much will 3.5 kg cost? Okay. Cost of 1 kg sugar is given. This is equal to 16.5. Cost of 1 kg sugar is 16.5. You have to tell what is the cost of 3.5 kg. The cost of 3.5 kg sugar. So what we should do to find the cost
Sir,
of
we have one question also.
no beta, you only have to write the answers. Put down not copy the question. You write down the question. Cost of 3.5 kg sugar. So how to find the cost of 3.5 kg sugar? There now. What should we do? We should multiply to find the cost of 3.5 kg sugar. 16.5 multiplied by 3.5. So similar type of questions you have done in the chapter multiplication also. And also in unitary method. Unitary method also you have done similar type of questions. The only difference is that now you have to multiply decimal numbers. And you know how to multiply decimal numbers. 16.5 multiplied by 3.5. Do you all know how to multiply? So 5 into 5, 25, 2, 3, 8. 3 5s are 15, 1, 16, 19, 18, 19, 1, 4, 5, 7, 7, 5. So the sum is 5775. Now the important part, all of you. These are decimal numbers, and count the number of decimal places in both the numbers. How many decimal places are there in the first number? There is only one decimal place. In the second number also there is only one decimal place. So total how many decimal places? 1 plus 1. 2 decimal places are there. In the two numbers there are 2 decimal places. So you go to your answer. Start from the right side. Right side से start करिए. Leave 2 digits because there are total number of decimal places are 2. So you have to leave 2 digits and then write a decimal. Then make a decimal here. So what is the answer? 57.75. Answer is rupees 57.75. This is the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Sir, done first.
Good.
Sir, done first one.
I've written second question. Good morning, sir. Agriya Singh present.
Agriya Singh, why are you coming so late?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to write the questions also.
No, you don't have to write the questions.
Okay,
Agriya, why are you so late?
sir, I was writing 2 questions. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please tell the truth. Second question.
Yes, I'm telling.
I have and second question both.
I'm telling the second one. Wait.
No, sir. I think that you have said to don't write the questions, but sir, I have written.
Beta, no problem if you have written. वैसे you don't have to write it.
Okay, sir.
छोटे बच्चे जो होते हैं, second class वाले जो बच्चे होते हैं, sir, we have to write the question. Now I have written what to do now. Question number 2. 5 bags of rice weigh 22.725 kg altogether. The weight of
Sir,
This
excuse me, sir.
9 days.
yes.
Sir, you please write the question on board. Sir, answer we will do by ourselves only.
No, beta,
And
question
then
is written in your book. Why should I write the question on the board? The question is written in your books. Okay, so question number 2. 5 bags of rice weigh 22.725 kgs. Okay, so this is the weight of 5 kg rice. 22.725 kgs. You have to tell what is the weight of one bag. How much does each bag weigh? So weight of one bag you have to find out. So weight of 5 bags of rice is 22.725 kgs. Weight of one bag. Weight of more bags is given and weight of one bag is asked, so you have to divide. 22.725 divided by 5. You all know how to divide. Now you have studied the division of decimal numbers. So here I am doing the division. 22.725. So 4, 20, remainder is 2. Now when you are copying the, one more time you all must see this. When you are copying the first digit after decimal, 7 is the first digit after decimal, so you have to put a decimal in quotient also. Put a decimal in quotient because you have copied the first digit after decimal. So 27, it becomes 27 now. 5 times 5 into 5, 25. So the difference is 2. Now copy the next digit, which is 2, 22. So 4 times 5 into 4 is 20. The difference is 2. Now the last digit, 5. So 5 times 5 into 5 is 25. The difference is 0. The remainder is 0 now. What is your answer? Answer is 4.545 kg. This is the weight of one bag. 4.545. गौरव पहला जानी क्या कर रहे हो?
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, this question that we are doing na, sir, that I have written yesterday in my coaching homework.
Have you all understood this? This is a very easy question. Simple multiplication, sorry, simple division is that.
So please tell the third question.
Yeah, wait. Third one I will tell you, don't worry. Go on, Rob.
Sir, wait, I am doing.
Sir, please give us the next question.
Wait.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Try the third one.
No, sir. Wait a minute, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Please. You can. Surely, better. Sir, now start. Sir, now start.
Sir, start.
Yes, sir, start, please.
Yes, sir, start, please. It's a request.
And
Request.
Okay, now the third one. An athlete runs 201 kilometers in 30 days. How much does he run in one day? Okay. So athlete runs 201 kilometers in 30 days. My God. That means he's running more than 6 kilometers every day.
Sir, I think what we have to do?
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, please repeat the question again.
You don't have the book? Or a pehle jani?
Having.
So,
Sir, I have not opened.
acha, oh, oh. Open the book.
Open. 201 kilometers.
Mark Gupta, stop laughing.
Sir, please tell the statement on this board.
Wait.
Sir, I can tell.
So, there is an athlete who runs 201 kilometers in 30 days. Distance covered by the athlete in 30 days. Distance covered in 30 days. How much distance he covers in 30 days? It is given 210 kilometers. 210, sorry, 210.
Sir,
201 kilometers.
is distance covered. Sir, now the second statement is distance covered in one day.
Distance covered in 30 days, 201 kilometers. Now,
Sir, the answer is 6.7 kilometer. So the answer is 6.7 kilometer.
distance covered
Distance
बुक आ गई है बात में अब मैं बहुत तेज से करूंगा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
in divided by 30.
divided by 30. Okay. Now, let us divide 201. So how many times it will go? 30 into 6 is 180. 180. 30 into 6, 6 times it will go 180. So the difference is 21. 21 is the difference. Now 21 is smaller than 30. The remainder is not 0. So what you will do here? Now put a decimal in place of quotient as well as in place of dividend. Both the sides you put a decimal. Now after putting
the 210.
write a 0 in the dividend and then copy down the 0. 210.
Sir, 7 the 210.
Yeah. So 210. Now you write 7 here. 210. 30 into 7 is 210. Difference is 0. So the remainder is 0 now. What is your answer? It is 6.7 kilometers. The athlete runs 6.7 kilometers in one day. This much he runs every day.
Done. Sir, I have done.
If any one of you make an unnecessary noise now, I am going to remove you from the meeting and I will not allow you back in the meeting. Done the question, everyone?
Yes, sir, I have done, and sir, I am copying the next question.
So question 4. You need 20 pieces of ribbon, each of length 2.4 centimeters. 2.4 centimeters लेंथ के 20 pieces चाहिए रिबन के. Okay. How much ribbon do you need in all? So you have to multiply.
Sir, in this we have to not write the statement.
We have to
I
write
think.
this statement, beta. In all the questions, you have to write these statements. Question 4. You need 20 pieces of ribbon, each of length 2.4 centimeters. So the length of each piece of ribbon. Length of each piece of ribbon, it should be 2.4 centimeters. This is the length of each piece of ribbon. Now, length of 20 pieces. Length of 20 pieces. 2.4 multiplied by 20. Okay. .48 centimeters. 20 multiplied by 2.4. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 0, 8, 4. Now, how many decimal places are there? Total how many decimal places? Only one decimal place is there. So you have to put the decimal leaving one place from the right side. Right side से चलो 8 digit छोड़ करके decimal लगाओ. So 48.0. The answer is 48.0. Can I write it as 48 only? Yes.
No, sir. No, sir.
48 नहीं लिख सकते
फिर
इसको.
डेसिमल की बाद नहीं लिख सकते.
We can write 48.0 and we can write 48 also. Both are correct. So simply write 48 centimeters.
Yes, sir, we can write 48 centimeter also.
So this is your answer. So what is the total length of ribbon required? Total length of
Done.
Sir, total length requires 48 centimeter.
yes. Total length of ribbon 48 centimeters. This is the answer. Because one piece requires 2.4 centimeters, 20 pieces required 48 centimeters. So total length of ribbon required is 48 centimeters. Clear to all of you?
Sir, till I am doing copying the question. Question back here. Sir. Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. Then
Sir, we have to do all the questions of the solve the given problems.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Now switch off the mic. Switch off the mic now.
Sir, we have to write questions also.
No. You have just joined the meeting. Sanidhya Negi.
Sir, in the next question, we have to divide. I know.
5. The driver is paid rupees 85.50 per day. How much will he earn in 15 days? Multiply. If something is given for 1 day and you have to find it for more, so you multiply the value of one quantity or something, value of 1 day, anything unitary. If it is given, you have to find for more things, then you have to multiply. Salary of the driver 1 day. Money paid to the driver in 1 day. You can write like this: amount paid in 1 day. How much amount the driver receives in 1 day? Rupees 88.50. You can simply write 88.5 also. No, it is not 88, it is 85. I'm sorry, 85.50. This is the amount paid to the driver in 1 day. How much will he earn in 15 days? So amount paid in 15 days. Paid for 15 days, 85.50 into 15. Multiply by 15. Okay, let's do it. 85.50 multiplied by 15. 25 to 27 to 40, 42. 0558. 0, sorry. Yeah, 0. There's some rubber. Great. Drop the line. 0558. Now you add the numbers 0, 5, 2, 1, 10, 8, and 12. So there, how many digits total? How many digits are there after decimal in the numbers? Only 2 digits.
Sir,
In the after decimal. So here also in the answer also you will leave 2 digits from the right and put a decimal.
Sir, the answer is 1282.50.
182.50 rupees. Rupees 1,200.50. 0.50 or 0.5 also is correct.
okay, sir.
Okay. All clear?
Sir, in 5 minutes, you
Yes.
can ask the reasoning questions today.
नहीं बेटा, first we complete the math syllabus. 18.6 kg of sugar is consumed in 3 houses in a month. 56 sugar. Sugar is consumed in 3 houses in a month. How much sugar is consumed in the house? This was your question number 5. I have not written the question number. Hope you all have understood. This is question 5, which I have done on the board.
Oh, okay, sir.
I forgot to write it.
Tahir?
Done this, all of you? Next one. Question number 6. Sixth, 18.6 kg of sugar is consumed in 3 houses in a month. Sugar consumed in 3 houses is equal to 18.6 kg. 18.6 kg of sugar is consumed in 3 houses. How much sugar will be consumed in 1 house?
Scanning. Okay, yeah.
Sugar consumed in 1 house. So the quantity for more houses is given, and they are asking in the question for 1 house. So that means it is clear that we have to divide to find for less number of houses. More is given, less is asked. So you will divide 18.6 divided by 3. 3 18.6 divided 3 6s are 18. Remainder is 0. Now you will copy the first
Sir,
digit.
the answer is 6.2.
As you copy the first digit after decimal, you will insert a decimal here in the quotient also. So now it is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 0. So you got the remainder 0. Answer is 6.2. So 6.2 kg of sugar is consumed in every house. In 1 house.
Oh, yeah.
Clear?
Yes. Okay, sir. This.
Note down the question.
Booyah, booyah, booyah. ये मेरे ख्याल से डीजे है, डीजे आलोक.
Sir, someone is singing a song.
I have removed Atharv Sharma. Atharv Sharma was singing. I have removed it. Try the seventh one, all of you. A cake weighing 7.5. A cake weighing 7.5 kg was divided among 30 people. What will be the share of each person? How much each person will get? So clearly it is a question of division.
Sir, the class is over right now.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Wait. You cannot leave the meeting.
Okay, sir, as you wish.